I'm Theresa Krakauer with American Dream TV, and today we're in Anthem, which is part of the new Arizona Innovation Corridor. This is an extraordinary place for those lucky enough to call it home. Anthem Country Club is a private gated community designed around lifestyle for all ages. Residents enjoy 2 championship golf courses, 2 clubhouses, multiple dining venues, and 2 full fitness centers, along with tennis, pickleball, bocce ball, lots of clubs, an active golf league, all within private gates. In Arizona, you always have to be ready to golf at a moment's notice. There's always time to hit a few balls. At the heart of Anthem is Anthem Community Park, a 63-acre gathering place designed for connection, recreation, and everyday life. With playgrounds, sports courts, fishing lakes, walking trails, and even a train winding through the park, it's a space that feels both active and welcoming. One thing that really surprises people about Anthem is all the creativity and new businesses that are appearing here. For example, at the Bearded Barber, it's a vintage barber shop, but really, it's a speakeasy hiding behind this door. Follow me. Inside, you'll find a stunning place with a copper inlaid ceiling, stained glass, a spectacular bar, and even a player piano. It's elegant, welcoming, and has become a local favorite. Open to the public, offers food and drinks, private wine lockers, and bottle storage. Semiconductor manufacturing company, also known as TSMC, is just down the road from Anthem, and they have made the largest foreign direct investment in the United States history at $165 billion. With that brings explosive growth to this part of the country, in Arizona specifically. New hospitals, new shopping, all sorts of new infrastructure, and lots of employment opportunities. It's really a great place to invest and to live. This isn't just one facility. TSMC is building multiple advanced chip fabrication plants, along with research, development, and advanced packaging facilities, anchoring what's now known as the Arizona Innovation Corridor. But this is only the beginning. Suppliers, data centers, technology companies are all actively buying land, building facilities, and bringing thousands of high-quality jobs to the region. That kind of job growth directly drives long-term housing demand for primary residences, second homes, and investment properties. Anthem and the Anthem Country Club are an amazing place to call home. And now that it's part of the Arizona Innovation Corridor, it's even a better investment. I'm Theresa Krakauer with American Dream TV. Until next time.